Avocado is one of the healthiest fruits in the world. Do you know you can grow your own avocado tree at home with grafting? In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to graft avocado, how to care for the plant, and the amazing benefits of eating avocado. Part 1, Avocado Grafting Techniques. 1. Choosing the rootstock. Select a healthy young avocado seedling, about 6 to 12 months old. This will act as the rootstock. 2. Choosing the scion. Take a strong branch, scion, from a high-quality avocado tree. Make sure it has at least 2 to 3 buds. 3. Making the cut. Cut the top of the rootstock using a sharp, clean grafting knife. Make a V-shaped slit in the rootstock. 4. Joining the scion. Cut the scion base into a wedge shape. Insert it carefully into the V-cut of the rootstock. 5. Wrapping the graft. Use grafting tape or polythene to wrap the joint tightly. This prevents moisture loss and protects from infections. 6. Waiting for success. Place the grafted plant in a shaded area. In 3 to 4 weeks, you'll notice the scion sprouting. This means the graft has taken successfully. Part 2, Avocado Plant Care. 1. Soil. Avocados love well-draining, sandy loam soil rich in organic matter. 2. Watering. Keep the soil moist but never waterlogged. Overwatering can cause root rot. 3. Sunlight. Place the plant where it gets 5 to 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. 4. Fertilizing. Use compost or organic fertilizer every 30 to 40 days. Nitrogen-rich fertilizer helps strong growth. 5. Pruning. Trim dead or weak branches to improve airflow and shape the tree. 6. Pest and disease control. Spray neem oil solution every 15 days to prevent insects. Part 3, Health Benefits of Avocado. 1. Rich in healthy fats. Avocado contains monounsaturated fats, good for your heart. 2. Boosts immunity, packed with vitamin C, E, and antioxidants. 3. Great for skin and hair. The healthy fats and vitamin E make your skin glow and hair stronger. 4. Supports weight management, high in fiber, keeps you full longer, and helps with digestion. 5. Good for the brain, improves memory and concentration. So, with grafting you can grow high-quality avocado trees right in your home garden, take care of them easily, and enjoy all the amazing health benefits of this superfruit. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening and healthy living tips.